Hey there, I'm the HVAC repair guy with over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor, plus a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two central air conditioners to help you figure out which one belongs at your home. The ACiQ H4A7T and the Sure Comfort SA16AY. Let's skip the marketing fluff and look at how these units actually handle real-world conditions on a hot summer day. Looking at the outer build, both units use a wire grill configuration to protect the outdoor coil rather than a full louvered metal cabinet. From a job site perspective, a wire grill gives wide open airflow and makes it easy to spray out cottonwood, dirt, and grass clippings during maintenance. The flip side is that a wire grill leaves the delicate aluminum fins exposed to hail, stray rocks from the lawnmower, or a careless weed whacker. You need to be mindful of where these units are placed on your property. In performance, the ACiQ H4A7T delivers up to a 17 SEER efficiency rating, which helps keep electrical bills down. The Sure Comfort SA16AY comes in at 16 SEER, still a highly efficient option that meets modern regional standards. In terms of noise, the ACiQ runs around 72 decibels, while the Sure Comfort operates closer to 76 decibels. The ACiQ will be slightly less noticeable when you are hanging out on your back patio. Inside the panel, both models use a two-stage compressor which can run at lower capacity on milder days to save energy and improve humidity control. ACiQ systems are manufactured by International Comfort Products, a division of Carrier, typically built in Mexico. Sure Comfort is manufactured by Rheem, known for time-tested equipment, with assembly primarily in the United States and Mexico. An internet price search shows an equipment-only retail price for a 3-ton ACiQ H4A7T condenser at around $1,980. The Sure Comfort SA16AY shows an equipment-only price at about $1,820. Installed prices including labor, permits, matched indoor coil, and line set changes range roughly $6,800 to $9,200 for the ACiQ. For the Sure Comfort, installed prices range roughly $6,400 to $8,800 depending on local market and complexity. Both brands offer a 10-year limited parts warranty. Each unit also carries a 10-year compressor warranty as well as a 10-year unit replacement guarantee in case of compressor failure. If I have to pick a clear winner, I recommend the ACiQ H4A7T primarily for the daily operational savings. That is how you shop like a pro.